Hey, it's Dr. Troy here, the Vancouver Chiropractor. Today I want to mention and talk about menstrual cramps, menstrual issues, even issues with menstrual cycle. So how in the world would a chiropractor help with menstrual problems? That's the first question you're probably asking. Why is this guy shooting a video on menstrual problems? Well, here's the real answer. You got to look at what regulates and controls the menstrual cycle. And if we look at Grey's Anatomy, it says the brain through the spinal cord and the nerves that come off control and regulate every function from hormonal production to sleep, to digestion, to elimination. Every function is controlled through the nerve system. So if we look at the uterus, we look at the ovaries, and if we have an interference in the flow of energy through the nerves to the uterus, that is not going to function properly. So a lot of times when patients have menstrual cramps, their parasympathetics here, the nerves that control these lower organs, they're going to be out of balance with the sympathetics. So the sympathetics actually help us respond to stress, and the parasympathetics actually help us recover from stress. So it's a check and balance to the nerve system. So if there's been any sort of trauma to the spine, dysfunction to the joints, it can affect how the nerves function. You can get dysautonomia. And so I had a case I'll tell you about that skater. She was a high-level skater, would fall a lot and land on her sacrum. So she's falling on the ice, bang, 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 and that misaligned the vertebra, interfered with the nerve flow to her uterus. She wouldn't have a menstrual cycle, maybe once a year, and when she did, it was very painful, and she couldn't get pregnant. So here she is, dysmenorrhea, severe low back pain when she would have episodes of her menstrual cycle that was very irregular, and infertile. And so I said, well, let's take a look and see if there's misalignment in your spine affecting the nerves. And sure enough, that's what we found. We started a course of corrective chiropractic care. And within 3 months, her menstrual cycle started like clockwork every month. And within 2 years, she was able to conceive her first child. So how the heck does chiropractic work? Well, really, it looks for, is there an interference in the nerves? Whether you have menstrual problems or not, chiropractic's focus is to detect and correct joint dysfunction and reduce that so the body functions properly and heals properly and naturally. That's the beautiful part about chiropractic. So any of the doctors at Zenaptic Chiropractic, they're happy to check to see if you have any chiropractic issues. You just need to call the office, schedule a time, 360-260-6903.